Good morning, you beautiful people. Today we are in... Good morning, you beautiful people. Today Joe and I are in Carrollwood. Joe, I'm filming an intro. Good morning, everybody. Nash and Joe here with the Tampa Drain Dudes. Today we're at a beautiful property here in Carrollwood. Look at this place. Absolutely gorgeous. Only downside is this awesome pool area is getting hammered with overflowing water from this hill. It slopes down. Not a very good grade to have. It should slope back to the pond. It does not, but we're here to fix that. Joe, how are we going to fix it?
Well, I'll tell you how we're going to fix it.
30 seconds.
As you see here, we have catch basins that are going to be strategically placed along here. There's going to be a pipe that connects all of them. We're going to take a sharp 90-degree turn up around here and take it all the way down to the water.
That's it pretty much, guys. All we're doing is dropping some catch basins. It's surface water. It's pretty solid ground here underneath this grass, so the water table is shallow, meaning the water is going across the surface, not subsurface. As it comes across, it needs collection points to stop from going into those pavers over there, which we will have 5 of. Then it will wrap around, going downhill slope to where it can emit into that pond. Let's get to it.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always be. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape. Run away. It gets so loud.
For our closeout, we got the pop-up emitter ready to go. Ran along the garden bed, sod is back on top, sitting a little bit higher, that way when it rains it'll level back out. Catch basin here on the corner, catch basins along the edge of these pavers here, sunken lower than the level of sod and the pavers themselves, that way they catch as much water as they can when the water comes running down this way. All right, y'all, that about sums up this job today. All we did pretty much was protect that pool back there behind us with a couple catch basins in line through a 4-inch corrugated drain. Out where we came to a pop-up emitter at a lower point. All the water that's coming off this hill behind us will run down into those catch basins, collect, come out this way through the solid pipe, and emit downhill into this beautiful pond back here. Joe, you got anything to add?
I'm ready for winter. It's way too hot out here in Florida, but if you need any tips, tricks, advice, or want us to install a French drain for you, check us out at tampadraindudes.com. There you can find a free quote request form, or you can give us a call or text at 813-665-0334. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and check us out on Facebook.
Instead of the normal logo closeout I do too, I'm just going to spin you around so you can look at this beautiful masterpiece right there.
It's me. I'm the masterpiece.
Check it out of the frame.
Is it over yet?